Let us start concentration on weight basis. Okay, and here we have to see how to find the concentration in terms of molality. Understand? In last video we have seen molarity, normality and formality. Now here concentration of weight basis, in that first is molality. Okay, so here the method of expressing concentration of the solute on the weight basis involves expressing the moles of solute for a definite mass of solvent. Okay, in case of molarity, it was the moles of solute for a definite volume of the solvent. Okay, volume in liter or dm cube. But here, definite mass of the solvent, it is in 1 kilogram or 1000 grams. So see, it is defined as moles of the solute associated with 1 kilogram or 1000 gram of the solvent. Okay, that means एक 1 किलोग्राम और 1000 ग्राम्स में कितने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज मोलालिटी एंड इट इज एक्सप्रेस बाय यूजिंग लेटर स्मॉल m. Symbol of molarity is capital M, molality is small m. So see the formula, molality M is equal to moles of the solute, okay, divided by number of kilograms of the solvent. Understand? So you know how to find the moles of solute. We have seen number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Mass means what? Amount. Okay, so moles of solute is written in this way: amount of the solute in grams divided by molar mass of the solute. How to find molar mass, that also we have seen. Multiplied by 1 upon kilogram of the solvent. Same formula is written in this way. Okay, now I had told you W1 and M1. These terms are used for solvent. W1 is the weight of solvent and M1 is the molar mass of solvent. And W2 is the amount of solute and M2 is the molar mass of solute. Okay, so see here, number of moles, amount of solute W2 and molar mass of solute M2. Okay, now instead of this we can write W2 upon M2. So M is equal to W2 upon M2 multiplied by 1 upon W1 divided by 1000. Okay, and then this is rearranged, so it will become 1000 upon W1 multiplied by W2 upon M2. Okay, so this formula you have to use. Same formula is written here. This is the formula to find out molality. Understand? This is the formula to find out molality. Okay, M is equal to 1000 upon W1. W1 solvent. Okay, weight or amount of solvent. W2 amount of solute or weight of solute. M2 molar mass of solute. Okay, so let us see one example. So this example number 5. Okay, see the question. Commercially available hydrochloric acid means HCl contains 38% weight by weight basis of the acid. Now weight by weight means what? Grams by grams or kilograms by kilograms. Understand? Here in this case we have to take gram by gram. Means 38 gram of hydrochloric acid is dissolved in 100 grams. It is present in 100 gram of solution. Understand? 38 gram of acid present in 100 gram of solution. Why 100 only? Because percentage is given. Understand? So if the density of the solution is 1.19 grams per ml, calculate the molality of the solution. So let us find the molality. Okay. So what is the amount of HCl? 38% W by W, weight by weight. Okay. That means 38 grams of HCl is present in 100 grams of solution. Total जो solution है वो 100 ग्राम का है और उसमें 38 ग्राम्स HCl है. तो वाटर कितना होगा? HCl जो है वो वाटर में डिजोल्व करके ये 100 ग्राम का सोल्यूशन बनाया हुआ. एंड इन दैट 100 ग्राम ऑफ सोल्यूशन 38 ग्राम ऑफ HCl इज प्रेजेंट. सो व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर? Okay, from that solution if we will remove that HCl, water will be remaining. So let us find the amount of water. 100 minus 38. Okay, 100 minus 38, that will be the amount of water. And 100 minus 38 is 62. So 62 gram of water is present and 38 gram of HCl is added in it, and then 100 gram of solution is prepared. Okay, now we have to find out molality. This is the formula. This formula we will use. Okay, amount of solute here W2 divided by molar mass of solute M2. Okay, and then when this formula is rearranged, we have to use this formula only. No need to see that. See here. M is equal to 1000 upon W1 multiplied by W2 upon M2. Okay, this is solved and we have derived this formula. Okay, so let us fill the values. Before that, we need to find out molar mass of solute. What is our solute? HCl, right? HCl. Okay, so let us find the molar mass. How to find molar mass? Sum of their mass numbers. What is mass number of hydrogen? How many hydrogens are there? Only one atom is there. So what is the mass number of hydrogen? 1. Plus chlorine mass number is 35.5. Understand? So 35.5 plus 1 is 36.5. Understand? So therefore molar mass, that is M2 solute of HCl is equal to 36.5 grams. So this value we have to write over here. Okay, so therefore M is equal to 1000 divided by W1. W1 क्या है? हमारा solvent है, that is water. Okay, so this is amount of water 62 grams with W1. Okay, so let us write here 62. Okay, multiplied by, in another bracket, W2 means what? Weight of HCl, amount of HCl. कितना है HCl? 38 grams. Okay, so 38 divided by M2. M2 is molar mass. So 36.5. Understand? So 1000 divided by 62 multiplied by 38 divided by 36.5. Okay, now when you will solve this, you have to solve this. First do this division, then multiply it by this division. You will get the answer 16.79 molal. Okay, and in case of molarity, molar R is written, and here molal is written, or it is also expressed as molality is M, 16.79 M. Sorry. Okay, so in this way you can find molality. Let us see one more example. See example number 6. Concentrated nitric acid HNO3 has a specific gravity of 1.42. Gravity is given, and it contains 69% of HNO3 weight by weight, means gram by gram or kilogram by kilogram. Okay, that means 69 grams of nitric acid is present in 100 gram of water. Understand? So, sorry, not 100 gram of water, 100 gram of solution. Understand? 100 gram of solution. So, we have to find out the amount of water as we have done in last example number 5. Okay, so calculate molarity and molality. Let us find first molality. So see what our solution contains. Solution contains 69% weight by weight nitric acid. That means 100 gram of solution contains 69 gram of nitric acid. Okay, so how to find the amount of water? Solution में से nitric acid निकाल देंगे तो amount of water मिल जाएगा. Solution is 100 grams and nitric acid is 69. Do this subtraction and find out the amount of water. So amount of water is 31 grams. Understand? Now water is our solvent. Okay, so this is your W1. Amount of solvent is 31 gram. Okay, and nitric acid is your solute. Okay, so this is your W2, amount of solute. Okay, now we have to find out M2. M2 is molar mass. Okay, molar mass M2. किसका है ये? ऑफ सल्यूट. सल्यूट क्या है तुम्हारा? HNO3 नाइट्रिक एसिड. हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन्स? ओनली 1. सो एटॉमिक मास नंबर इज 1. नाइट्रोजन ओनली 1. मास नंबर ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इज 14. Plus how many oxygens are there? 3 are there, multiplied by mass number is 16. Okay, so let us find 14 plus 1 15. 16 3s are 48. Okay, 8 plus 5 13, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. Okay, so 63 gram is the molar mass of solute HNO3. Means M2 is 63. Understand? So we have got now W2, then W1 and M2 also. So we can use this formula now. Okay, so M is equal to, what is W2? W2 is weight of solute, that is 69 nitric acid ka. Okay, then M2 molar mass 63. Okay, multiplied by 1000 divided by W1 water का amount कितना है? 31. Now you have to solve this. Okay, solve this by using calculator and find out the answer. Answer is 35.33 molar is the molarity. Okay, so we have got molarity. Molality. Let us find molarity. They have asked to find the molarity also. So let us find that. Now, for calculating molality, what we need? Volume in dm cube we require. Okay, volume of the solution we require. Now they have given us specific gravity. Specific gravity is provided, and that is 1.42. So by using specific gravity and the grams of solution, we can find out volume of the solution. Okay, so let us find that. Volume of solution is equal to, we have 100 gram of solution. So 100 divided by 1.42. Okay, so it is 70.42, but it is in milliliters. Understand? This is in milliliters. Now this milliliters we have to convert in dm cube. Okay, so how to convert that? 70.42 divided by 1000. Okay, and you will get the molality in dm cube. So let us convert these mLs in dm cube. 70.42 divided by 1000. Okay, and answer is 0.07042 dm cube. Okay, now let us use the formula of molarity. So this is the formula. Molarity is equal to amount of solute divided by molar mass of solute multiplied by 1 upon volume in dm cube. So what is the amount of solute? What is the amount of nitric acid? We have found that it is 69. Okay, we have calculated molar mass of acid also, and that is 63. Okay, multiplied by 1 upon volume in dm cube, that also we have calculated. Okay, and it is 0.07042. So see, I have done here 69 upon 63 is 1.09524 divided by this. Okay, and when you will solve this division, you will get answer 15.55 molar. Okay, so here we have done molality and molarity also, and in this video we have seen how to find molality. Okay, and next video we will see mole fractions. So let us stop here. Thank you.